Hey guys, Dan Heilman back with another video. We're going to do a short video today because I woke up this morning with a small fever and pretty sore throat, but we're just going to talk about what my short-term plan is here today. I am planning on taking a short around 97 200 on Bitcoin. We basically have this increasing broadening wedge here, which is sometimes a bearish pattern, but also we have the bear moon. We had a nice little bull moon that gave us a nice move to the upside. If you want to use that indicator, just go on TradingView and search moon phases. It's completely free. And we also, my other Camel Finance indicator is saying we should have a low basically around, FOMC next week. So I am only short-term bearish. I am long-term extremely bullish. And as soon as this short completes, unless I just totally get blown out, I'm going to have my stop loss up here about 100, 500, a nice wide open. Give me some room in case we retest 100 and then go down for a little bit. We had a pump this morning, but there's no volume, literally no volume on this pump. It looks like kind of a short squeeze actually. So they're squeezing the shorts out, and I think maybe we could potentially hit the top of this. I'll get in a little bit early around 97 200, and then I'll look to fully close my short around 88, maybe 84. Let's see, what do we got for 84? 1 2 3. Yeah, maybe the bottom of that range. There's a lot of resistance there at about 84 100. So yeah, that's what I'm kind of looking for. I already have the short open. When I mean open, it's on the order book. But again, as I said, I'm going to open it around 97 200. And my stop loss, as I said, was 100 500. That's a $3,600 loss because I'm doing 1.1 Bitcoin, 5x leverage. Leverage doesn't really matter. If you want to see my risk video, which risk management, very important in trading. And if you do want to trade, I have a link below for Bitunix, and in the description of my video, I have my risk management spreadsheet. If you want to use that to manage your risk, feel free to use it. I would definitely recommend that, especially if you're a new trader. Make sure you keep your losses to maximum of 1, 2, 3%, whatever your risk profile is. And this is about a 1 or 2% risk for me. Take profit around 8,400. I might close maybe a quarter or a half a position around 88, or maybe even 91 800. You can see I actually have it shows it already. You can see my limit order is up here, 97 200. You see stop loss up there, and you can see my take profit down there. So yeah, I closed my long up here somewhere, and yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing here. Again, if you want to support this channel, I got a link below. If you want to try leverage trading, it's a great exchange. You can put your spot on here and trade against it, which is pretty nice. And yeah, so that's kind of my plan for Bitcoin. And I'm thinking maybe once we see some recovery here, I think we might see some alts start to recover as well. If I go to the daily chart, I had a long open here. I have closed it already because, as I said, I'm short-term bearish, long-term bullish. But you can see my indicator is saying that we should have a low here, and it put the weekly low on ETH here, meaning that we may not go below that again. It is saying there's another weekly low that's coming in June, so maybe we get a big pump here, maybe a retest, and then ETH is fairly low risk from this point. Because I mean, if we really zoom out and look at ETH, we're like basically bear market here. So the worst we could do is maybe a pullback to 876 or something. But if you're looking for a long here, so if we go long, even if you go long right here, right, this is your worst risk, but I mean, we could easily take out that all-time high, if not higher. So, I mean, right there, you're looking at a risk reward of 3. So, I mean, that's with a wide open stop loss. I mean, that's like a terrible scenario. That's like, let's go through a bear market again. You know what I mean? So, ETH is looking fairly low risk here. DOT is another one. I have a couple that are on my trade watch here. DOT is definitely one of them. Could be getting an ETF. Obviously, I'm really long on Litecoin. I've been talking about Litecoin a while. I think this one's massive. Litecoin is, again, near the bottom of the range. DOT is near the bottom of the range. And even, there's some big pumps coming for DOT, I think. XRP is one that's a little bit higher risk because if you look at it, we're already kind of near the top-ish of the range. This one I feel like would need full-scale adoption to really push past $4 or so. ENS I'm really bullish on, but there's a couple other ones that I'm kind of just watching for some potential trades. ADA is a good one. Doge is a good one. Again, Doge very low relatively. I mean, what the lowest it could ever go is probably, I mean, that's still 60% dump, so that's pretty big. But I mean, if you kind of draw something like this, even Doge, I don't, it's not far off its kind of range lows here, and the upside's a lot higher, even potentially $1. So that's a good one. Neo is like the Chinese Ethereum. There's lots of rumors that China now is going to be investing in cryptocurrency, and they've even been using Bitcoin to trade between Russia, etc. XCN is one that's been doing very good. That's kind of on my watch list. ADA, Neo, Doge, Move. It's just been dumping. Maybe we get a recovery. Maybe it just continues to dump for the rest of eternity. Matic is extremely low, putting in new lows, new all-time lows, which is insane. This one could, I mean, look at this. If it breaks like this resistance that we've had for like a million years here, almost something like that. That's if we break out of this, we could see, you know, an upside move of 500% or something crazy. ETC is another one. This is the old Ethereum that's just dirt cheap. UX Link is another one that had some massive moves and is now at basically bear market lows. It's a 700% move. Bitcoin Cash is an offshoot of Bitcoin, also kind of at the low range. And Bitcoin Cash, just because it has the Bitcoin name and it's readily available almost everywhere, we could easily see at least a 200% there. Not much. That one's it's a bigger coin. A lot of people, it's on a lot of exchanges and it's been around a long time, so potential there. A couple of memes I'm watching: SPX, Pengu, Popcat looking like it's getting rejected at the bull market support bands here. For AI, I'm looking at Render, FET, Tau. So I think it's maybe time for, you know, maybe we get a couple more months, especially if the Fed starts introducing quantitative easing. I think we're going to see some big moves from some of these altcoins, or we just go into a recession and these boys dump back down. But I mean, honestly, I mean, how low can they go, right? I feel like, you know, maybe we'll get a 50% pullback on some of these, but I feel like alts are so beaten down that I feel like they really can't go down that much lower, even if the top was already in and we had to wait another year or two. Yeah, so that's kind of what I got going on. Quick video. I don't want to hurt my throat too bad. But that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to try leverage trading, feel free to use Bitunix. I love this exchange. If you want to try leverage trading some stocks, you can use BTCC. That's another one that I have a link below. And if you're trying leverage trading for the first time, you know, try to start practicing risk management. Check out that video. I'll pin it up top, and that's going to be it for the video. The link for that spreadsheet is also in the description, so feel free to use that. I would highly recommend it. And that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to join the Discord and make any video suggestions, feel free to do that. I also, you know, I post a lot on Discord. You know, I'm talking about what I'm doing here. I'm gonna try my short. Here's what I got going on. Here's my stop loss, and I talk on X too, so feel free to follow me there. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Press that like, press that subscribe button if you're not already. I think like 15 or 20% of the people that watch my videos every day are subscribed to the channel, so it's extremely low. And yeah, use those links if you want to support me, and have a great day. Leave a comment. How you guys doing? You guys hanging in there? It's been a pretty brutal cycle so far, but we got Bitcoin pumping right now, and we'll see what happens here. Again, I'm trying to enter 97,200. My invalidation 100, 500, 100, yeah, 100, 500. So we'll see what happens. Have a great day. See you guys.